Hi, I am now. Okay, wait. I am now at Hockey Village, at the Crescent Carnival, and this is my first vlog. And these are my teammates.
No.
No. Wait. This is RJ. I have her face against like Richard and Jenny.
No need to know.
Sophia, Ling Zelda, Yo, Iman.
And the most important one, me.
Okay. Me, yeah. Okay, anyway, so
Time for lunch.
how many games have you played?
Oh Lord.
We have played like 4 games and then we lost 2 and won 2. And we don't know whether we'll be in the loser pool. And we're just playing and our next game is against SA at 2. So I'll see you later.
Bye bye.